Save your garden. I've got the solution for insects eating your precious vegetables. Keep watching. I've got the solution for your insects that are eating your plants, your vegetables, some of your flowers, but I use it on my vegetables. Brussels sprouts, collard greens, it knocks it out. So these are the ingredients and how to make it. You need one of these pumps. This one is 56 ounces. Fill it up with water up to about here. 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint oil. 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary oil. These two are just to distract the smell of the plant from the insect. They don't smell the plant anymore, so they don't know where it is. But the main ingredient is the neem oil. This one with the AZADIRACTA in it. Filtered, unrefined neem oil, organic. Got this off of Amazon. I'll put the name of it so that you know what to get. And you need 1 tablespoon of this. So I've already put in the rosemary and the peppermint oil. So if this gets cold, it thickens. So just make sure that it's liquid. If it's thickened, you just have to sit it in some water, warm water. Okay. Just pour it in. And that's it. It's just these 3 ingredients. Oh wait, the other ingredient is the soap. Unscented soap. I use Castile, pure Castile soap, Dr. Bronner's, and it's 1 teaspoon. See, I put all the ingredients here. I wrote it so I wouldn't forget. And this is really a very cost-effective formula. All the oils are organic. Make sure you use it, because if you put it on your vegetables, you do not want it to be anything other than organic. And that's it. So it's 4 ingredients. Soap. The purpose of the soap is to disperse the oils in the water. Okay? Block the smell of the plant, and this kills the insects, the neem oil. So you put it in. It's a pressure kind of device here, so you pump it. We'll have to go outside to show you how to use it, but you pump it. Probably should have shook it first, but anyway, you pump it until you almost can't pump it anymore. So the next step is to go outside and spray the leaves until it's dripping. Spray 1 plant first to make sure you don't have any adverse effects. Spray the top of the leaves, the underside of the leaves, and that should do it. Do it maybe once a week, but really do it good. And pretty soon you won't see them anymore. What I do not to be wasteful though is before I use this, I spray the plants down real good, top and underside. And I examine the leaves to see if there's any insects, and I'll remove those. So if you see them, take them away. And when you see the white butterflies flying around, those are the insects that turn into caterpillars that eat your collard greens, your Brussels sprouts, some lettuces too. So we'll go outside and I'll show you the spraying part. Be right back. So guess what's out here? The butterflies. Oh, they're about to be history. So I came to show you how to use this. I've pumped it. Then you lock it in and you just spray them. Make sure you get the underside. And it's okay. This is broccoli, you guys, growing, so yay. There's going to be insects in a garden. There's no way to get around it. I've sprayed this before, so it's okay. I know that it's not going to bother this broccoli plant. That's how you do it. Like, very simple, very organic. You can do it. This is a change in your garden life, your plant life. You can even use it on your flowering plants. The spaghetti plants had some type of insect and they were eating holes. You see? Well, I sprayed them already, so there's not that many and I took them off. But it works on these plants as well. All right. Hope this makes a difference. I know it'll make a difference.